Teslacam. I hope you're satisfied.
This video was sent in by Coolessence. He was driving his Tesla Model 3 in a paid carpool lane when he saw that a Volkswagen started creeping up close in the rearview mirror. After that, he got in front and threw something again. About 10 minutes later, the same VW reappears in the mirror and overtakes on the shoulder, only to stop at traffic ahead. Coolessence called the police and showed them the video on site. The police asked him to send them the videos. He hasn't heard back yet. This video was sent in by Armand Vervac. This accident happened at sunset. A new highway was formed by exits from two other highways. Armand helped the driver out of his car. The highway was completely closed for almost an hour. Armand says that thanks to his Teslacam, he was able to show the German police what happened when they arrived on scene. They quickly understood the situation and were able to act accordingly. The video was also emailed to the German police later that night. This video was sent in by Armando Diaz. Here we see his Tesla Model 3 driving on autopilot. The Tesla's forward collision warning was set to early, but didn't give any warning, and the standard auto emergency braking feature didn't attempt to slow the vehicle. However, the autopilot lane keeping and stability control kept the car in control until he could pull off the road. 12 months later, this happened to the same Tesla driver. Armando says, "Thank God for insurance." This video was sent in by Derek Borden in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. A van tries to change lanes in an intersection. When that fails, he does this instead.